Let's go get some people out the graveyard.
Me and the Notification Gang would like to invite everybody to come join us Monday through Thursday, 9:20 to 10 o'clock for morning coffee, where we discuss the events of the prior day and also just talk mess about stuff. See you then.
Oh, Black Dynamite, I wish it was that simple, but this is much bigger than you and me.
Hey, little mama, it may be bigger than you, and it may be bigger than me, but it ain't bigger than you and me. Can you dig it?
Let's go get some people out the graveyard. I'm not gonna lie to you. One of these days, I'm just gonna buy, I think I need to go get one of them GoPros or whatever, right? And I'm just gonna walk around and film one of my days. I think that's the only real way for people to understand what I'm talking about when I be saying some of the shit that be happening. Because I know people are looking at it like, yo, this nigga complaining all the time. But a lot of the time I be telling y'all about this shit, I'm not complaining. It's just, I be thinking shit be unbelievable. Be like, what in the fuck, yo? Be like, I ain't gonna lie to you. I be thinking some of this stuff be unbelievable. I be like, I can't even understand this is going on. Alright, let's look. Let's look through the graveyard, see what we see. Look at all the words I gotta freaking have freaking banned so people don't come in here trying to troll me. Let's see who we gonna get out. Hold on, let me so I can see what you guys are saying real quick. I can't see what you guys are saying. All right, now I can see what you guys are saying. Okay. Who should we go get? Who should we go get? I already got names I'm looking for, so who should we go get? Who should we get? If you see your name, let me know. You can't tell me if you see your name because you blocked already. All right, so there's a couple of names we're looking for specifically. I'm going to take Rio out. He used to be an admin. Boom. What up? I am Rich the God. Says peace, BBN fan. Peace. Let's see who we gonna get. Who we gonna get? Oh, another thing about me, I literally sing to myself all the time. I just be making them songs in my head. If I see her, you see her, point out. I'm going slow on purpose. This is gonna take a second. Look, look at this person. We should unblock that person, right? Why do we unblock that person? Oh shit. Oh, there you go. Been looking for you. Blocked. Can we get the... Can we... Hold on. Let me play the bag song for everybody real quick. We got to play the bag song. Can we get bags in the chat? I blocked the dude that was coming in here. I'm going to explain something to y'all. Y'all know when y'all fake... when you change your title name, all we got to do is go back and watch the video over and we know that it was a fake account. You know that? I guess y'all didn't know that. Yeah, I thought y'all was getting over on people. Where's the bag song? Let's play the bag song. Can we get all the bags? Can we get all the bags?
Say the wrong thing, and get the bag.
Can we get all the? You sure those people even want to be free? Them guys probably done. Them guys probably don't even want to be freed out of the damn graveyard.
And get thrown out the conversation. Throw up 2 fingers and tell them, please don't keep the drama away. Donate to the cause and hit the cash app. And if you ain't got it, them likes are free. Go and smash that. BBN, hit that with a hashtag. Sick with the content, come around and need a hazmat. Jack Frost, yeah, you dudes need to back off. He got the work around here, yeah, we all tip our hats off. Keep the same name, that's what you point for. But if you coming back in, put a 2.0. Big bags, and you asking what they heavy for. Foot and ass be going hella crazy with the petty wars. Good conversation, that's what we be really ready for. Good conversation like being on the bottom of a heavy whore. Nah, why niggas be like that? Unsubscribe and tell them, yo, hey, I'll be right back. Say the wrong thing and get the bags. With the force of everything that I have. Say the wrong thing and get the bags. Oh, now you niggas salty and you mad. Niggas say the wrong thing and get the bags. With the force of everything that I have. Say the wrong thing and get the bags. Oh, now you niggas salty and you mad. Niggas say the wrong thing.
Yeah, bags. We just kicked that guy straight out the door. We don't got time for that. We hold those over here. Who the fuck is that dude? Hold on. Can we get bags in the chat? Y'all don't see it, but somebody got hit with bags. Can we get all the bags?
Before we go back to the jump off, so somebody came in here with 2 fake OG product accounts, right? So shout out to JAS with the $4.99 drop. He said, laugh out loud, OGP. That's a fake OG product account. That is not the real OG product. That is not the real OG product. Those are fake accounts. You come here with another one, that one is gonna get banned also. So salute to you. Bring another one to get kicked. It's a fake OG product. Look, I'm gonna show you. Hold on. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put you up on game. Count came in here yesterday faking to be OG product. But what happens is when he turns his name back and you go watch the video, their real name come up. So shout out to Kevin Sandoval. Spending all of this time making all of these accounts. Shout out to you. Spending all of this time going and changing the name to your account just to come back. Shout out to you, homie. Having no life. Let's go back to oh shit. Shout out to Kevin Sandoval. Let me show y'all that shit again. This guy right here, he was faking being OG product. Like, what the fuck? Like, this is really what you guys do for a living? Kevin Sandoval? This is really what you do for a living. Hold on, let me send the screen back over to the other side. And let's go look through here. Okay, I remember Black Wolf. Let's let Black Wolf out of here. I don't know. You've been changing your name. You're Kevin Sandoval? I have no idea why you did it. I have no idea why he did it. What the fuck? The hell? I don't know why anybody does anything. Why are you asking me? You got to go find that guy and ask him. Jason Myers. Let's get Jason Myers. Nah, Netstar, you right there. You ain't in the graveyard. You ain't green no more. Let's see. Who else should we get? Who else should we get out the graveyard? If you want your name out the graveyard, you better send me a damn notification or something. That's what everybody else is doing. Excuse me. See, now there's people that are saying that they are in the graveyard and they're not in here. Yeah, I'm trying to tell you. What the fuck? Mikey Greenhouse. Let's get him out. I remember him. What up, Liberty Hazelton? You could just see how much stalking I've been going through. Why did I just read Liberty Hazelton's comment in Liberty Hazelton's voice? I don't know. Do you see Xavier? You see his name? And could you, when you see the name, call the name. I don't see Xavier from Oakland at the moment. If I see him out, you got to point him out and say, Frost, back up or something. But I know now if I see him, I leave him. Did I already take Cray Cray out? I hope not. You just said leave him. No, I am not releasing that Shy 120 account. I spoke to CK had to be said it had to be a fake account. I'm not releasing that account. I spoke to CK said Shy 120 would never control me. It has to be a fake account. See, I told you that whatever that name is that's not a name. That dude is saying something weird shit in Hebrew. Probably very disrespectful. Anyway, that Shy 120 account was just coming in here fucking my show up. I ain't got time for that. Don't nobody got time for that. And you don't know how to spell salutations. You keep writing solutions. Don't nobody got time for that. If you see Rio name, tell me. I don't see Rio's name. I'm going slow I took out Rio already. Nope, I'm kicking this account too. Boom. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna leave it alone for the time being. Matter of fact, I'm not going to kick the account. I'm going to come back later and find out, see what you changed the name back to. That's what I'm going to do. Shout out to Net Stars becoming a member of the BBN family. We had 2 people become members today. Hold on. Shout out, oh, LexBX, I called that one. All right, hold on. We're going to get Clark Kent. Solutions. Yeah, exactly. You feel me now? Get out of here. That's probably that little kid. He can't even spell. There go more people outside the door. I think they telling people I'm talking to myself. Mofos be all up in people's business. Don't even know what you're doing, but always assuming the worst. I advise y'all to stay away from people who do that. I advise you to stay away from people that you always see assuming the worst about other people. Because when you're not around, they're assuming the worst about you too. Liberty Hazel just said, I got solutions if you got problems. I think I hit so many people with bags I can't see all the names, because I'm pretty sure we didn't even see those names. Anybody seen those names? I don't even see the names of the people asking me to take them out of the graveyard. I think I hit so many people with bags I can't even see all the names. I don't see G's up. Did anybody see G's up? And I go to fake BBN Network account. Look at them. I didn't see G's up. Did anybody see G's up? I didn't see them. Shout out to James S with the $5 drop. Homie, there is no G's up. Look, I'm going to go through it again. I think I hit so many people with bags that I can't even see all of the people. And I didn't see Shy 120 either. So I wasn't getting you. It don't matter. But I don't even see your name. So y'all dudes is going to have to try to stop getting hit with bags. Because I might have hit so many people with bags that you can't even see all the names. Let's get Jose Batista out. I'm not assuming you said anything inappropriate. I said, I don't know what your name says. Now you putting words in my mouth, so I'm just going to kick you. Peace. Gotta be a troll. I didn't say that. We'll go through it again. If somebody sees G's up. If somebody sees G's up, let me know. I do not see G's up. And I don't see Shy 120. So I can't get neither one of yous. Let's get Truth Addict. Let's get Efren. Somebody, I don't, what? They not in here. Let's get Seymour Kitty. Tell me where I'm wrong. They're not in here. If you see them, let me know. I don't see them. I don't see them. So y'all better stop getting hit with bags, because I can't even go get you. No, there's no search option. I can't even go get you. Let's get Ivan Rodriguez. Y'all better stop, and Peter Tracy. Y'all better, and no, Ivan Rodriguez, Peter Tracy right there. Y'all better stop getting hit with bags. I can't go get you. I can't go get you. Let's get Derek Dunn. Let's get P. Hoffa. Let's get Good Money. Look. Did y'all see the names of the people y'all wanted me to get out of the graveyard? Because I don't. I keep telling y'all, I do be looking for people, but I can't find the name. Hold on, did anybody? There's a ton of names that I have. I didn't see none of the names I'm trying to get. Let's get a chosen vessel. I don't know. No. Let's see every single person in caps in here. They're all the same person. Mostly. Let's get Rojo Rick. Let's get that guy. Let's get Sean Saunders. Let's get Jose Green. This is crazy. Let's get Gregory Smith. I got so many people in the graveyard that I can't even see all the names. Let's get Selena. Let's get Big John. All of those capital letter names is all like the same people. I don't know if that's the real CK. What up? What up, CK? I don't know if that's the real CK. CK, send a message to my phone if that's the real CK. Mama, we had a fake CK in here the other day. It don't matter because Shy 120 name ain't here, so it don't even matter. There's nothing I can do about it. His name ain't here. We don't know if that's the real CK. They be faking accounts. Remember we had a fake CK in here the other day? And I went through this twice. There is no Shy 120, so I can't get him even if I was trying to, which I'm not, just so we can be clear. Let's get Georgia Peach. There's people in the hallway right now like he's in there talking to himself. But CK, if anybody watches your channel, they know where you're at. If you don't send me a message, I'm not going to think you're the real CK, period. The real CK has my number. You wouldn't have to do that. That's my point. You could text me. I'm still not letting Shy 120 out the graveyard. He's not even in here. These dudes passed on. I don't know what to tell you. These dudes, I don't know. These dudes got cremated. And there is no G's up. Maybe I took them out before. I might have took G's out already. I don't know what to tell you. But look, there's no G's up. There's no Shy 120. I just went through this shit twice. Let's get Megan Carter. Let's get Tyler Baker. Let's get Rastafari. You can leave fools that they start. Yeah, this is crazy. My dude, you have see now you see what I'm saying? CK can text me. That's not CK. Let's get Byron Washington. Alright, so we got so many. Let's get Estrella. We got so many people in the graveyard that I can't even get people. They got cremated. I don't know what to tell you. Let's say. Hold on, I'm gonna open the graveyard back up again and see that if maybe after I let some people out, more spots is there, so we'll be able to see more names. So hold on, let's try this again. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Do y'all want to try this again? This is crazy. Let's get Aziz. Yeah, I think these are different names now. God dang it. I gotta let people out of the graveyard in order to get to other names that's in the graveyard. This is crazy. Hold on, let me go see who's spying on me. Oh, it's just the people over here working. Yo, this is crazy. I gotta let people out of the graveyard just so I can see who's buried under them. I gotta let people out. Look, there's names I don't remember seeing. Aunt Spirit Finger, that wasn't here before. William Bowles, that wasn't here. What the fuck with these names, yo? That wasn't here before. Terrell Hutcher, she wasn't here before. Jules wasn't here before. I'm gonna let Jules out. I gotta let people out of the graveyard in order to get to the people buried under them. Beat Boot wasn't here before. Let's get Beat Boot. This is crazy. John B wasn't here before. I'm gonna let John B out. 300 wasn't here before. Brian McLean wasn't here before. Let's get Brian McLean. 300. Mr. Thompson. Let's get Ray Bender. He wasn't here before. Y'all better stop getting hit with bags, yo. For real, for real. Kerry Joe Patterson wasn't here before. The truth. Oh, whatever. Get out of here. Excuse me. Jack Forster bitch wasn't here before. God dang, I got... This is how deep the graveyard is, yo. I got people buried under people, yo. I got people buried under people. Giuseppe wasn't here before. I gotta go blow my nose. I got people buried under people. God dang it. Maybe we do another mass graveyard thing tonight also. So tell your friends. This is, I got people back. These people is, look, this person right here. That person wasn't here before. That person wasn't here before. That person wasn't here before. Let's get criteria. They wasn't here before. McFadden wasn't here before. J.E. Moneybags wasn't here before, and I'm only leaving them because it's all in caps. Let's get this person. This is crazy. Robin West, this is crazy. These names were not here 5 minutes ago. Tell me where I'm wrong. Do y'all remember some of these names 5 minutes ago? This is what I'm trying to say when people be asking me to get you out of the graveyard, and I'm like, I couldn't see your name. I really did not see your name. I'm not joking. What up, E. Simmons? Maybe we have been hitting too many people with bags, man. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we've been hitting too many people with bags, homie. I'm gonna let James Powell out. I keep noticing that name. Let's get Noel Alex out also. Maybe we've been hitting, let's get Scar out. Maybe we've been hitting too many people with bags, man. Maybe we got an addiction. A bag addiction. Let's get Cool Breeze. I'm freeing people now because so I could get under them. So I'm freeing people right now so I could get under. I told you that was the fake CK. That person never texted me. I told you that was a fake CK. Next time that CK pull up in here, we gonna hit him with bags. Go, somebody hit that CK with bags. That was a fake CK. Somebody go up there and hit that CK with bags. Yo, this is crazy. What up, Peter Trace? This is crazy. Yo, I have to free people so I can get to the people under them. And still no G's up. Anybody seen G's up yet? Let's get Kendall. Rich Energy said, hell yeah, you banned me like 5 times on 5 different accounts. He said, joke though. I've been trying to stop hitting people with bags. What the fuck? This is crazy. Let's go get Young Money. Let's go get Soul Content. Let's go get Fragrance City. I gotta free people so I could get to the people under them. This is retarded. Let's go get Fly Guy. Let's go get Mr. Tuba. What up, Straight Stacking? Has anybody ever seen anything like this before? I'm just curious. Has anybody ever seen anything like this before? Let's get Akeem Brown. Wayne B. This is crazy. And I'm hungry. Shout out to Net Stars for all the bags. Shout out to Net Stars Live with the $10 drop. Hold on, I tried to show y'all what he wrote, but I freaking had the thing on. Shout out to Net Stars Live with the $10 drop. He said, for all the bags, for what's the truth. Why the hell am I blackjack though? What the fuck? This is crazy. Anybody ever seen this before? This is retarded. I gotta free people just so I can get to the bodies under them. Lamont Blue Ridge Stanford. I'm 100% freeing that guy. That name is incredible. Let's go with Whoop-de Whoop. We'll get this guy out. I don't know. What the fuck? Let's get Missa out. This is crazy. Peter Tracy says, to be honest, you're a serial bag swinger. Dang, I must have, like, this is crazy. Let's get Deliver Us from Eva out. This is really bananas. I gotta free people so I can get to the bodies under them. Let's get Candy. Let's get Candy. What up, D Vertical? I'm freeing the people. I'm freeing some people. I'm not freeing them all. I don't want to have all those problems back again. Let's get Icebox. I'm hungry. So we gotta hurry this shit up. I'm gonna do one more pass by. Let's get Jessica Seal. I'm gonna do one more pass by. I don't remember that guy, so he probably didn't do much wrong. Let's get the dope spot out. Let's get this guy out. Let's get Abu Lagoon. Let's get this ghost guy out. I'm an idiot. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm freeing a lot of people that I know might be gang members. Like, because we probably got off. Because I know I hit a lot of people with bags that came in Big Tone that had the wrong impression of how I thought about a particular situation because of how strongly they felt about this particular situation. Let's get Barry Summers out. Let's get Super Biz out. Let's get McDonald's Telecommunications out. I don't know what to do. First of all, let's just clip this video, and I'm going to clip this. So I need for somebody to go back and get the timestamps for me when I started going into the graveyard. I need somebody to go and get the timestamp for me when I started going into the graveyard and when we finished going into the graveyard. Ron Dirt, my dude, you might be buried. Yo, for everybody that don't know, what up, Dirty Digital Media? I have to free people to get to the bodies under them. So we're going to try this one more time. This is the last time I'm going through. Maybe we'll free some more people tonight. But come on, this name. Look, let's see how many new names we see after I do this. Let's get all John Wicked. Let's get them. This is crazy. Let's see how many new names we get. See in a minute. Let's see how many new names. One more pass by. We're going to do one more pass because I'm hungry, y'all. We're going to do one more pass by. I just opened up the graveyard. I know I'm not freeing some of y'all, but y'all should be pulling up. Oh, shoot. My phone is dying. Y'all need to be pulling up to the Cash App, to the PayPal. Shout out to Malachi Bird. Malachi Bird says, I'm going to start doing something else also, but I'm not speaking on it at the moment. Hold on. Shout out to Malachi Bird. Malachi Bird said that Big Malo Dub 20 video was hard. Yes, it was. Shout out to Malachi Bird, but also shout out to Big Malo and Dub 20. That was hard. We're going to be playing that song all week, by the way. Look, do you remember the Battle Zone Society? Look, these are all new names. True Rush, new name. Ernesto Leo, new name. Favorite Accident. I don't know what that is, but we're going to release that person. We're going to release that person. All of these are new names. We did not see these names a minute ago. Purple Haze, Work of Arts, Hollywood T. This person was a douchebag. I'm gonna remove him though. This is crazy. These are new names. I gotta release people to get to the bodies under them. DZ said, "Don't let me start calling out suckers that shouldn't be free." This is crazy. Let's go with Beef O'Neil. Let's get Tiffany Davis. Let's get G. Anybody seen G's Up yet? I have not seen G's Up yet. Has anybody seen G's Up yet? Let's get Dale Wright. Let's get Shell's Praise. Let's get Chop Up. This is crazy. No Limit War. This is crazy. I don't know what to tell you, Herbert Berry. This is crazy. I gotta free people so I can see who buried under them. That don't make no damn sense. YouTube, y'all gotta fix this. You know how many thousands of people might be in here? Let's go get Gilbert. Let's get Teddy. What up, Brandon Washington? You tired today? Take a nap, my brother. I know how many thousands of people might be in here. Thousands of damn people. This is crazy. Look at all of the new names. I didn't see some of these names the last time we just went through here. Did anybody see Ray Ray? I didn't see Ray Ray. I didn't see Ida. I don't know who this is. I didn't see Jose the last time we just went through here. I didn't see Terrence the Don. I didn't see Speedrunner. I didn't see Two Throwed. I didn't see On a Mission. I didn't see Blake Sultan. Like, what in the hell? I didn't see this guy neither. Nor this guy. There you go, Joey Patton. He's been asking me to get him out. There you go, Joey. I found you finally. I had to freaking go through this shit twice. You understand, dog? This is the block list. I'm getting people out of the graveyard, but I have to... But there's people buried under people. And the only way you can understand that is if you go back and watch it. Because somebody go find the timestamp for me, please, when I started doing this. James said 20K followers in the graveyard. This is crazy. Look, I didn't see this Steady Pepper name before. Did you? I didn't see Nick name before. I didn't see Jonathan name before. I didn't see this person either, but I'm not freeing them because I don't free I don't free all caps because those are most likely the same person that's always coming in here trying to talk crazy. Joey Lopez. I didn't see this person before. Anybody seen G's Up yet? Yeah, my old admin blocked a lot of these people. This is crazy. Some of these names isn't even. We didn't see these names last time. People are buried under people. This is not even a game. That's why I'm just, I wasn't even going to let this many people out, but, you know, fuck it. I'm going to release K-Swish just because that's my homie's, like, favorite sneakers. This is crazy. This is crazy. My fault. I looked at my phone for a second. Thank you. Thank you, Bree Powell. This is crazy. How people coming in here with fake Jack Frost accounts? This shit is crazy. Like, I don't know who my own account is. This is crazy. Yeah, I had an admin that used to block people and that I didn't even know they was blocking. That's a fact. I had an admin that, I had more than one admin that used to come in and, it's a long story. I don't want to get into it. This is crazy. We definitely blocked way too many people. I don't know what to tell you. When you gotta unblock people to get to the people under them, so some of y'all gonna have to wait. I'm gonna do it again tonight. That's the best way I could put it. Tonight we'll come back in here and try to get some more people, because this is bananas. This is I don't know what to tell you. Anybody seen G's Up yet? Anybody see G's Up? There's a couple of names I'm looking for. I'm looking. And people keep hitting me up like, yo, did you unblock me yet? And I'm like, I didn't see your name. Excuse me. This is bananas. Excuse me. This is bananas. No, I honestly, I keep seeing this girl. I'm gonna take out. I honestly don't know what to tell you. Thank you, Queen Shot. Excuse me. Look at all the names that was not here before. Thank you. It's allergy season. It's just gonna be sneezing. It's not good. And I still haven't seen TZ for Sheezy. So if anybody see TZ for Sheezy, let me know. I'm looking for TZ for Sheezy. I'm looking for a ton of people. Just so we can be clear. TZ for Sheezy is just one of them. God dang it. How many people we took out already? Anybody know how many people we took out yet? Somebody said my other account got hit with bags. Well, sir, this one did too. So, yo, I'm let you out though. No, has anybody seen Flower Bloom's name? I have not seen Flower Bloom. She gonna have to wait till tonight. Tell your friends we having a graveyard release party tonight. This is bananas. This is bananas. Look at all of the names that we did not see last time. That's my point. What in the hell? I really don't like. This is really upsetting. We need to block less people. I don't know what to tell you. We really need to block less people. This is crazy. I don't know. You know what? Let's just keep blocking people that ask for to be blocked. But this is crazy. What you mean? Is there sound where? Am I talking? Can y'all hear me? I'm looking for Flower Bloom. I do not see Flower Bloom. So there's very little I can do about that. Maybe tonight we see her name. As soon as I'm looking for him, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. I took a ton of people out of the graveyard. There's nothing I can do about what we're going through. I guess we'll try to take some more people out the graveyard tonight. I don't know. I don't know what happened to any. Hold on. We didn't see Flower Bloom name. We didn't see TZ for Sheezy name. We didn't see. How many names could y'all think of that you know I blocked that we did not see their name? We didn't see Shy 120 name. So there's nothing I can do about these things. There's literally nothing I can do about these things. We're going to try to unblock more people. And then that's it. That's where we're going to go from there. That's what we're going to do. That's where we're going to go from there. But we can't. I don't know what to tell you. Is Book Smart Street Smart? No, I didn't even see Book Smart Street Smart. I'll unblock him when I see him. I didn't even see him. We gonna do more unblocking tonight. Other than that, I don't know what to tell you. So I gotta get out of here. Cause one, I'm hungry as shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm eating a Thanksgiving sandwich today, by the way. Wait, what you saying, DZ? I can't understand. This is crazy. DeAndre Willis said, I remember being this close to being blocked. No, I don't. Look, I don't know what to tell y'all. I'm gonna go take more people out of the graveyard tonight. But at this point, I got bodies buried under bodies. What you want me to do? I got bodies buried under bodies. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. I got bodies buried under bodies, man. I'm trying my best. All right, I gotta get out of here. It's time to eat. Not for nothing. We'll do the raffle tonight. I'll give people one more opportunity to get involved with the raffle. We will do the raffle tonight. We're gonna add everybody from last night, this morning, and tonight. Everybody's gonna get added. This shit is crazy. I got so many people. It's crazy. We gotta stop blocking. You know what? We're not gonna stop blocking people, but y'all motherfuckers, y'all gonna have to start conducting yourselves better. I don't know no other way to tell you. So let's call out the drops for today real quick and get out of here. Shout out to James S with the $5 drop. Also, shout out to Lex BX and Next Stars Live for becoming BBN gang members. I can't wait for both of you brothers to upgrade to swinging bags. I'm happy that you brothers are BBN gang members, but I can't wait for you brothers to upgrade and start swinging bags. I can't wait till all of y'all upgrade and start swinging bags. Not for nothing. Everybody needs to upgrade. We opening up the graveyard. I need some people to upgrade and start swinging bags. Shout out to sneezing shit. Shout out to James S with the $5 drop. Shout out to Netstar Live becoming the BBN gang member. Shout out to Lex BX becoming the BBN gang member. Shout out to this person who asked me to find their name. I tried. I'll try again tonight. You buried under some people. There's nothing I could do. It was 2 years ago. You probably gonna have to wait for me to take 1,000 people out before I even get to your name. Shout out to DZ with the $5.10 Oakland drop. Shout out to JAS with the $4.99 drop. And shout out to Netstars Live with the $10 drop. Definitely appreciate you guys. You guys are all the best. This shit is retarded. I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, with that being said, we gonna get up out of here. Everybody, please go be productive today. Just go be productive. I don't know what you plan on doing, but whatever it is, go be productive. With that being said, I'm thinking about bringing a show to y'all. I'm working on a thing. Like, I'm working on... Okay, so a lot of the stuff that I'm working on, just so we can be clear, sometimes the shit don't work out, right? But I do have some stuff that I'm hoping is gonna work out. And It's a couple of these things I've been working on for like 6, 7, 8 months. I have to have other people involved with me with it, so it's not that easy to get it done. So we're working on some things. We're gonna see what happens. With that being said, everybody, please go out there and be great. Whenever you helping somebody else be the best person that they could be, in that moment, you being the best person that you could be. So go be great. Like, comment, subscribe, join the notification gang. Hashtag Bronx Bombers. Let's get it. I love y'all. Take care of each other. Hug the kids for me. I haven't forgotten about you. And that's all I got on this one. I'm out.
If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you would like to help dictate the direction that this channel takes, please leave a comment. All comments are appreciated, whether positive or negative. Thank you very much and enjoy your day. And remember, positive thoughts cause for positive things to happen. Let's get it.
Mike Jones.
Oh, Black Dynamite, I wish it was that simple, but this is much bigger than you and me.
Hey, little mama. It may be bigger than you, and it may be bigger than me, but it ain't bigger than you and me. Can you dig it?